guys, welcome back. So today I thought we would talk about the 5 best, this is 10, the 5 best Louis Vuitton bags that you could buy. I want to just preface this before we even get started by saying I'm not saying any other Louis Vuitton bag that I'm not mentioning today is a bad bag. I'm not saying really anything other than I think that these are the 5 best bags that you could buy right now, today, as of September 23rd, 2022 from Louis Vuitton. Obviously, you're probably seeing this. Oh, you're actually probably seeing this on the 28th, which is my birthday. So guys, I'm 29. The bags that actually made it to this list are just the bags that I feel like would add something to your outfit. So for example, you're not gonna see a Neverfull on this list. You're not gonna see a Speedy on this list because in my opinion, in my humble opinion, having owned both of those bags in the past, and if you guys didn't see the bags I sold and why, I will link both parts right up here. But having owned those bags, I feel like those don't really add anything to your outfit. They're kind of like easygoing, casual, like I'm heading out the door, let me just grab my Neverfull kind of a bag. I want to focus on bags that really like make a statement along with your outfit. So if you guys want to know what are the 5 best Louis Vuitton bags that you could buy today, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you guys already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna wanna be here when I do. If you like luxury fashion, you like handbags, you like shopping, vlogs, things like that, any of that tickles your pickle, I think this is definitely where you're gonna wanna be. So definitely subscribe if you're not already. If anything, just make it a nice birthday gift for me, okay, since you're watching this on my birthday. And if you guys are not already following me on Instagram, definitely do that as well. I post every single day over there. It's just the Katie Danger. I'm very active, honestly, maybe a little too active. Stories, like reels, we got outfit of the day. So definitely follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So this is not your first time on my channel. You probably know what the first thing is that I'm gonna mention because I mentioned it in the 5 bags that I'm loving tag. I'll link that right up here. And it's because I'm obsessed with this damn bag. And I think at some point I'm definitely gonna get one. The bag that I'm talking about is a Louis Vuitton Capucines. I love this bag so much and I want one so bad. I don't really know what color I would go for, but I would definitely get it in the mini size. I think the mini is so adorable. I know that this bag is super pricey and it definitely just had a price increase like the other day, but in my opinion, it's worth it. This is such a classic bag from Louis Vuitton. It gives me like, I'm a sophisticated person, but not so sophisticated that I'm gonna carry something like a Birkin. That's what that bag gives me, and I honestly really love it. I love all the colors Louis Vuitton does in this bag. I love all the exotics, and I know I'm not really an exotic kind of a person. Like I don't own any exotic bags. I'm not like dying to own an exotic bag, but I feel like the Capucines in an exotic with an exotic handle is stunning, okay? I love that you have the option to carry it by a top handle and have it as a shoulder bag. I think you can also wear some of them, depending on the size, crossbody, which I don't know that I would do with the Capucines. It's not really like, it doesn't give the vibe of something that needs to be worn crossbody, but you have the option, okay, and that's always nice. I honestly can't say enough good things about this bag. Out of all the bags I'm gonna talk about, the rest are not gonna be in any particular order, but this one is definitely my favorite one, and if I was gonna add a Louis Vuitton bag to my collection, this is the one that it would be, for sure. Number 2 probably won't surprise you either. It's gonna be the Petite Malle Chapeau. I love like the hard case bags from Louis Vuitton, and this is not gonna be the only one, spoiler alert, that I talk about today. I just think that they are so cool. This one is special because it's inspired by the actual like Boite Chapeau hat box situation. I don't know if the hat box is actually called the Boite Chapeau, but I'm just gonna pretend that it is because I know no better. It's inspired by a hat box. Okay, that's true. And I just think that it's really cool. The only one thing that I do not like, and I have spoken about this before, is the fact that there is so much damn vachetta on that bag. This one is also a little bit more pricey, not as bad as the Capucines, but if you take under consideration the fact that the Capucines is all leather and this bag is like, I don't know, I guess it's like hard canvas, you know, I do still really love this one, and I love that the strap is removable. I feel like I would almost never carry it with the strap. I would only want to carry it by the weird little handle that it has. And even though it's not the most practical bag, I think if you put this bag on with like any outfit that obviously matches monogram, because if you guys haven't seen my 10 unpopular opinions video, I'll link it right up here. You guys know, for me, monogram does not match everything. But if your outfit matches monogram, then if you throw this bag on, I think it's gonna be freaking gorgeous and you're gonna look like you tried so immensely hard even if you didn't. Number 3, we'll just knock out the other, you know, the hard case one that I was just referencing earlier. We'll just talk about it right now. It's gonna be the Petite Malle. I don't think that I have specifically spoken about the Petite Malle on my channel before, but It's a gorgeous bag, man. You can't deny this. This bag is gorgeous. And I think if I was gonna buy a monogram Louis Vuitton bag, this would probably be the one that I would get because I just love how versatile it is. Like you could wear this in almost any occasion and it would be good. You could use it as a clutch, which I personally, it's my favorite way that people wear it, is as a clutch. You just remove the straps and you have like this boxy clutch. Actually, I have a boxy clutch right here. So it looks kind of just like this. This is from Amazon, by the way. This is not like any type of brand or anything. There's literally dust on it because I've never used it. But it looks just like this, obviously without this. And then obviously you have all your monogram and your detailing. It literally looks like a little trunk. And I freaking love that. I think it's also nice used casually though, because you do have that strap option. So if you just, there's literally still dust flying everywhere. So if you literally just threw on like a cardigan and threw on the Petite Malle, like you would be good to go. Again, something that matches monogram, unless you get a Petite Malle in like an exotic or even in like the all black version. I saw a silver and gold version, which I was really intrigued about that one because silver and gold together, like that would match literally everything. I just think this bag is gorgeous. I think it's also a little bit on the pricey side. Obviously the first three that I let off with they're a little expensive, but I think the last two are they're gonna be, oh, she dropped it. She dropped the mic. Obviously the first three that I spoke about are a little bit more on the pricey side, but the last two I think are definitely gonna make up for it. So I was just kidding. I actually forgot that my fourth bag is also a little bit expensive, but the last bag, if you want like a cheaper alternative, something that I still think will add something to your outfit, the last bag will get you. But for number 4 is gonna be the Coussin bag. You guys know that I spoke about this in my 10 fall handbags video, so I'll link that video up here because it is officially fall. Yesterday was the first day of fall, so it's relevant. It's leather. You have a lot of compartments, so you got a lot of organization options there. You have removable strap, a removable chain. Honestly, you could dress it casually. Dress it casually. You could wear it casually because you have that really casual strap, or if you remove that strap and even remove the chain, you could use it as a little clutch, or if you want to just have the chain on it, you could have it as like a little, I don't know how big that chain is, maybe a shoulder bag, but if not, you could definitely have it as like a hand carry. I think the options are honestly endless with this bag. The variety of colors that it comes in, amazing. The caramel color, no, the taupe-ish kind of color that they have, that color has really like almost got me. I love this bag, and I think that any outfit, especially in the fall, would benefit from having a Coussin just like either tucked under your armpit or like crossbody. I think it would just look amazing and it would definitely add something to your outfit. It is very expensive, and this is one that I have trouble justifying the price point for. It is a little bit more of a newer bag, and I would say it does have a little bit of a trend factor to it. But with all that aside, the amount of ways that you could use it and the fact that it's all leather and it really would match almost anything, those are kind of the reasons that I feel like it's definitely one of the best. For my last pick, the least expensive of the 5 bags that I'm going to talk about, and I think the newest, definitely the newest and trendiest of the 5, is going to be the loop bag. It's not my style because it is very like Gen Z trendy, you know, kind of a situation. But I do feel like this bag adds something to every single outfit. At first glance, it kind of just looks like a regular monogram bag that like, whatever, all the monogram bags look like that. But no, the shape I feel like really gives it some personality, and kind of similar to what I said with the Coussin bag, it comes with a little chain and a strap, so you really have variety as to how you want to wear it. You guys know that the little armpit bag situation is kind of all the rage right now, and this I feel like is the perfect one. Personally, if I was gonna get one, I would get this one because of the shape. I just think it's so cool. It looks like a little smiley face, and I really like it. Again, the only thing about this one is it does have a good amount of vachetta on it, which is not my favorite, as I've said a bunch of times already. I feel like it would still just like, it would add something to any outfit. I'm gonna say that about I mean, how many times have I said it? Take a shot every time I say add something to your outfit. So those were my 5 picks for the best Louis Vuitton bags that you could buy right now. Let me know in the comments which one you like the best out of my picks, which one you dislike the most. Any of these you disagree with, any of these you agree with. What are your 5 favorite bags from Louis Vuitton? Definitely let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, next time I film, I'll be 29. No, wait, that's not true. That's not true. I'm definitely gonna film like tomorrow.